You always wondered, why don't youngsters learn Islam and keep wasting time in front of media?
They spend hours and hours in meaningless browsing. It's very hard for them to turn off. You know why? Because kids need engaging activities all the time. They hate boring lectures and lengthy text.
Now learn Islam in a completely unique way. Complete Online Islamic School introduced, first time ever.
Especially designed by Hanam Amberzera, world-renowned Islamic scholar.
A whole new experience of Islamic learning. Why interesting and engaging videos.
Whether you believe it or not, 1 minute of video is worth 1,800,000 words. Isn't it amazing?
While living in non-Islamic countries, parents' deepest fear is what if their kids get affected by non-Islamic education and culture. By purchasing this program, this problem is 100% resolved.
Because your kids would simply love to spend their time in learning true Islamic values and implementing in their lives.
CAS Online Islamic School is across the globe for all Muslims. No country restrictions, it's just a click away. You simply need internet to connect.
100% authentic and accredited course. Enroll your child today.
Your child will always remember and thank you for this priceless gift. Your child would love high-tech interactive learning, and you would love its amazing convenience and affordability. Some of the value benefits of this program are state-of-the-art high-tech learning program, qualified teachers from Qom, Iran, highly affordable and easy to use, positive behavioral transformation, enhances child's personality development.
Accessible by all devices. Anywhere you want, whether it's your home, car, mosque, school, or park.
Give your kid an opportunity to learn teachings of Quran and Ahlul Bayt.
Join hand and let's spread Islam together.
CAS Online Islamic School. Visit today at www.casschool.com.